Hello, this is Sam again from SA Locksmith and Security. What we're here today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the door lock because somebody tried to break in. He actually damaged the lock and he damaged the handle. Now we got the lock, but the lock, even from the dealer, if you buy it, you'll see that the lock come uncoded. We want to match to the key, okay, to the existing key that works on the ignition. What I'll do, I'm just gonna take the ignition out in order to see the code on the ignition and match it to the key. First, of course, we'll have to take the plastics off. Plastics, normally on Chevy pickups there is no screws. You can look, sometimes there is one or two, but normally there isn't. What you need to do, just with the plastic, to open it, kind of like force it. Nice in post. Yeah. Okay, after we took off the plastics, one from the bottom, one from the top, simply just force it out. We'll turn the key to on position, put the car on drive because we don't want it to start with something pinchy. We're just gonna suppose we start the ignition and press the spring, and voila, the ignition is out. What we did, we just pressed the spring, the ignition is out, and on the ignition we can see the code. Let's see, over here is S975J. Normally it's gonna start with the S975J. That's our key code.